An innovative device based on radio frequency for the treatment, please note, of erectile dysfunction. We will say hello to Professor Juza Chen, Senior Urologist, Director of the Men's Health Clinic at the Ichilov Medical Center. Hello. So before we talk about the intriguing device you brought with you, maybe tell us what exactly is the definition of erectile dysfunction?
According to the international definitions, erectile dysfunction is a condition in which a man cannot achieve an erection sufficient for penetration, maintain it during intercourse, in order to achieve satisfaction for himself and his partner, and in order to enjoy sex properly.
And for how long are you validating it? Does this mean that if there is someone who suffers from erectile dysfunction for several months, then he is already under the definition of impotence?
According to the definition, a one-time event is not considered impotence. It needs to be several weeks to months. In order for you to tell the person that he does have a problem, you need to find out what the problem is and treat accordingly.
Talk about the problem, about its validity. Let's talk about the solution. You brought here a device called Vertica, which is actually a device, as you mentioned, Itai, based on radio waves, which is supposed to treat the problem in a very different way from the solutions currently found on the market.
So let's start from the beginning. We are now in the phase of recovery from erectile dysfunction. That is, we treated mechanically, we treated symptoms and morbid conditions. And now we want to heal the people, return them to their condition.
I mean, you say, first of all, you ruled out other medical problems, determined that the patient is impotent, and now you offer him this device, right?
We find treatment with different devices, for example, new ones, such as a hyperbaric chamber, shock waves, radio frequency, plasma injection into the genital organ. This is the new methods that aim to heal the person in the condition permanently. All the previous treatments that were, hence Viagra and all the drugs, they treated symptomatically. Today we have reached the stage where we want a person to be healthy and take care of himself.
This is a big advantage. Myself at home.
And it is true. Then came the idea to treat radio frequency with this device, which a person sits at home and wears the device.
Does he get the device? Does he buy it?
He buys the device. Uses at home, turns it on, puts the penis inside this device. And gives himself treatment for 15 minutes. The device regulates heat and sends waves from all kinds of points in the device. And in order to affect the penis sheath, the blood flow in the penis sheath.
Does it increase blood flow?
It improves blood circulation. The device mainly treats the penis sheath, which is the condition that is damaged many times because the penis sheath is responsible for keeping the blood in the penis. And when there is damage to the penis sheath, it may be that enough blood reaches the penis, but it doesn't stay. Not holding does not hold, and a man loses his erection. From what age can this device be used? To this day, it is an experimental device. Today, an indication from the age of 18 onwards.
Beautiful. There is a real concept change to say...
It's a concept change. It's a change that we've come to over the years, and we hope that the device will come and be...
Who needs? Prof. Juza, thank you very much for coming to us. Thanks. Thank you.